Hi everyone, it's James here at Your Next Car, bringing you the virtual walk around video of the 420i M Sport Gran Coupe. As always, we're going to start with taking a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I talk through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to slowly make my way around. I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle. Well, once there, we will of course go through some of the major talking points and features of this vehicle. So as you can see, the vehicle is finished in the ever popular black sapphire metallic, and alongside that we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. This vehicle is a 2018 18 plate, as you can see there, so it does inherit that lovely facelift the 4 Series has had. Alongside that, it is also equipped with the M Sport Plus pack, so we do get the much larger front and rear end brake option, privacy glass, Harman Kardon and heated Dakota leather, and of course all of those I'm going to point out in a bit more detail. So sitting behind these lovely 704M 19-inch M Sport alloys, you can see those end brakes. The wheels themselves are all wrapped with Bridgestone Pretender tyres, which are in fantastic condition. Down the side of the vehicle, we can see the gloss black air breathers, sidebars and Mperformance decals. We will of course go in and take a glance at the interior, which for this vehicle happens to be the very nice black Dakota leather, which, as I've mentioned, does come with the heated seat function, electric lumbar adjustment, and of course that very nice facelifted aluminum hexagon trim with the aluminum style accents. As you can see there, we've also got the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. Moving towards the rear, where you can see we have the Isofix rear bench, centre folding armrest and the M Sport headlining. Moving onto the rear of the car, where of course we also have facelift rear lights, a high gloss rear diffuser and a high gloss black rear spoiler, which sits very nicely on the automatic opening and closing tailgate. This vehicle also has, and will come with as part of the sale, a genuine BMW accessory load liner / boot floor liner. So as you can see that all it does is really protect the boot floor from loading things in and out, and it really does just neaten that up, and everything underneath that is all neat and tidy, which I'll just now show you. So as you can see there, it's kept the boot nice and neat. Alongside having that very large luggage capacity, you do have the split folding seat option on this vehicle as well. And we'll move round to the other side now, where you can see how well the black sapphire metallic really does shine through, especially when it is hit with direct sunlight. And I'll give you one last look at these very nice 19-inch alloy wheels before we head on inside to take a look at the special interior, which is, if not just as special as the exterior. So now I'm sat comfortably inside the vehicle. You can see we've also got the power fold mirror function, which of course can be controlled just using that little button there, or of course holding the lock button on your key fob. So inside the vehicle we have the professional wide navigation and media screen. This comes with DAB, as you can see up there, along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs. There's the navigation function. It also comes equipped with Bluetooth audio and telephone. And if we click the very main menu, you can also see it has the Connected Drive Plus feature on this vehicle, which gives you access to the online search, news and weather apps, which are all powered by Google, which is a very nice feature for when you're out and about and you want to quickly search something. It does save you pulling over to stop and use your mobile device, and it is all controlled via the vehicle's own 4G network. Dual climate control, which once again you can see down here, which is also where you find the heated seat switches. And again, I'll just show you the vehicle service information and service history screen. Both front and rear brakes have got absolutely tons of life left in them. 60,000 on the rear and 33,000 on the front, which is a sign they are both wearing pretty well evenly, considering obviously your front brakes do generally most of the work on a vehicle such as this. 15,000 till the next service. Service history wise, we've got full BMW service history, owing to the fact that this vehicle has only covered a mere 22,000 miles. So again, another nice low mileage example here at Your Next Car. As always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always, I will be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And there will also be all of the relevant contact information, and of course the link to our website to find all of the prices and finance options for this fantastic looking black sapphire M Sport Gran Coupe 4 Series, along with all of our other fantastic examples. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye.